Bit dreary out there because we do have some fog across the area. You can see that here on top of the Fred Roberts in Dublin. It is a warm and muggy start as well, 70 degrees to get the day going here, and dew points are very high. So just know you're walking out the door to the same thing we walked out to yesterday. Definitely a little bit on the soupy side out there to kick off the day today. Now, today we are going to have a lesser coverage of rain. We're looking at about a 20% chance for rain as we head into the afternoon. Maybe a stray shower could linger through the overnight hours. And then we'll start to slightly pick rain chances back up as we head towards the end of the week. We'll look ahead to about a 30% coverage on Thursday and 50 on Friday, with most of the rain and storm activity for the afternoon hours. And it does look like Friday through the weekend will be one of our last upticks of rain and storm activity before we have a pattern change roll on through. So what's going on right now? High pressure is in control, and now it is centered a little bit further inland. So that's going to help keep us a little bit drier, but this is going to push back out over the ocean, and that is going to allow for a couple of what we call troughs. So it's kind of like what's going on out towards Tennessee and Mississippi this morning. All that you need to know about it is it's going to allow for a little extra lift for those afternoon thunderstorms, and we'll have a little bit more of a widespread rain and storm chance because of that, as high pressure loses control and we start to have essentially waves of energy roll through as we head into the weekend. So let's talk about that. For today, mainly dry. It does look like where most of the rain and storm activity will set up is along a sea breeze front that will push in off the coast, and we could have a few showers mainly in northwest Georgia. For us, as we head into tomorrow, we'll have that chance for showers and thunderstorms to kind of push through as we head into the afternoon, this time typically moving from west to east, and that's when you know that high pressure is starting to move around a little bit. Normally we were getting that southerly flow to push all the rain and storms in from south to north. That's going to be a little bit different over the next couple of days as we have, again, essentially waves of energy roll on through the area. As we head into Friday, we're going to pick up our rain and storm chance again, looking at about a 50% coverage for Friday. And then as we head into next week is when we'll finally see that pattern change. Right now we have the jet stream well to our north, and we're just pumping all this moisture in at the surface, giving us that summer-like pattern. We're staying warm, we're staying unsettled. That's going to change as we head into early next week, around the Tuesday time frame. Jet stream is going to dip down, and that could bring us some drier weather as we pull in, even in the upper levels, wind out of the northwest, which is drier. Obviously, land is drier than the ocean, so that will help give us potentially a little bit of a pattern change. As we head into the start of next week, we'll still stay unsettled. Again, I think it's going to be that Tuesday time frame when we'll get that push down, and we'll be drier hopefully by the middle of next week. Low to mid 90s for most of the 7-day with the exception of Sunday. We could pick up another ½ inch to an inch of rain through next Tuesday.